In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can find all of your draft on your Instagram. So if you have saved or created a draft previously, but you don't know how to see it, then follow the step. First, you want to click on the plus button at the bottom of your screen on your Instagram. Once you click on the plus button, it's going to bring you over here. Now at the bottom, you can see this option called draft right beside recent. What you want to do is click on drafts. Once you do that, it's going to take you to the draft section. Now every single post you see on this section is your draft. So I have only saved one draft, that is why it's only showing me one draft. But if you have saved multiple drafts, it's going to show you multiple drafts. Doesn't matter if it's reel, post, video, story, all the draft is going to be available over here. So I can just click on any one of the draft and then it's going to take me to the position when I was. So okay, so I will click on the draft. Once the draft is selected, at the top right, click on next, and from over here I can click on share at the top right, and the draft will be uploaded. So that's how you guys can find all of your draft on your Instagram. Hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.